Ah, come on. It's moving too fast. Yeah, it's really flying by. It literally just changed course. It looked like it was flying towards the moon and now it's going to the right. That came in quick. Ah. It's probably about to fade out now. That was crazy. See how far it is away? Look at that. It's about to fade out. Can't get a focus in. This camera sucks! But it's all I got. Yeah, it's fading out. Ah, that came in super quick. Ah, yeah, that was super fast. Whatever it was. It wasn't a plane. Nah, that's way up there. That's probably that's in space. That's in space, man. Unless it's that. Almost flew kind of like that comet that was by the sun, didn't it? On the way it was like kind of curling. Yeah, it left. See you later.